Remember, when we're starting a new game, make sure you are in Google CS first. Sign in. You're going to pick I'm a student. I pick I'm a teacher. Log in with Google. And then remember, if you are doing a project you're already working in, you're going to go to projects and it will have all your projects. If you're starting a new project, as I am, because I'm starting a new game, I will go to new project. It's going to open up a new project and we are going to name the project. Up here, change it from untitled whatever to Cheese Chase or Cheese Chaser. Okay, first of all, we don't need the cat, so we're going to get rid of the cat. And we are going to grab a mouse because that is what is chasing the cheese. Now, if you want to choose something else, that's okay with me. So now we've got the mouse. So what we're going to be using to control is the arrows. So we're going to use this code added to the stage to make when the mouse move. So we're going to start with our usual event of when the green flag is clicked to get it stopped off. Now, in this game, this mouse is going to be moving around forever. So when the flag is clicked, we're going to do a control for the up arrow. So I'm going to get the if then from the control. So we're going to say if, and I have to go to sensing, and it's the key. So we're saying if the key, and I'm going to do up arrow, is pressed, then what do I want it to do? I'm going to find the point in the direction, and the point in the direction, it's under motion, sorry, point in direction, and I'm going to make it 0 because that is going to point. Notice if I make it 0, it's straight up. So when you press the up arrow, your mouse will point in the direction straight up, and we're going to have it move 5 steps. So every time you press the arrow, watch what will happen. I click the green flag, I press the up arrow, my mouse points up and moves up. So now we have this make the block move. Now we want to make the other arrow blocks work. So we have to add 3 more of the if-then blocks to this because we need 1 if-then block for each of the directions to move the mouse. So I'm just going to put them, and we just basically have to mimic these. So I will go to the sensing and find my key. So I'm going to put if the key in all of the box, and then I'm going to change, sorry about that. Now I'm going to change the arrows. So I've got up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. Now I want to make sure I have everything going in the different directions. So I need the point in the direction blocks. Point in direction. Now I want him to go straight down. So I will move this to straight down. So this needs to be 180. I take the point in direction and I want him to be moving right. So I don't have to change this one because it is moving right. 90 degrees, and then this one is going to make me move it all the way around to -90. And then I want to move 5 steps each time so I can put my moves, my moves, my moves in. You want them to point first before moving. So Depending where arrow I pick, watch what happens. I click on it, down arrow, he moves down, left arrow, turns and then moves, right arrow, and then turns and then moves. So now I have my keyboard controls for my mouse.